Hello beauties, you're welcome to Gloria Beauty World and Skincare channel. For those of you who are new here, you are very much welcome. This channel is all about skincare and skincare product formulations, including DIY remedies for skincare treatment or skin enhancement. All ingredients that I'm going to use here are 100% safe for the skin. Today's video is all about how to make a glow oil. Glow oil is very good for all skin types, especially for dry, rough and flaky skin. It helps to brighten and revitalize the skin. It protects the skin from harmful effects of sun exposure and pollution. This powerful glow oil, it helps to prevent the skin from premature skin aging. It refines the skin texture and leaves the skin feeling so smooth and glowing. Right here I have a spatula, a measuring jug, and we'll also be using an electric hand mixer after adding all the ingredients. I like using a measuring jug because it gives an accurate measurement of your liquid product formulations. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. Like and share, and also leave a comment below. I'm making a 1.5 ml of glow oil. This is sunflower, which is going to be my base oil. It has a lot of skin benefits. It hydrates the skin, is rich in vitamins, it minimizes signs of aging. Sunflower is known for its ability to soothe irritated skin. It works for all skin types and calms redness in sensitive or dry skin. And it can also even out the skin complexion. Carrot oil protects the skin from UV rays and has strong anti-aging properties due to its rich content of vitamin A, C, and E. It brightens the skin and also tones the skin. Using carrot oil leaves the skin looking radiant and glowing. Turmeric oil can lighten and glow the skin. It helps to treat acne and pimples. It clears blemishes and also can treat other skin issues like eczema. This is rosehip seed oil. It is rich in essential fatty acids and is a good option for dry and itchy skin. It hydrates and easily absorbs into the skin. This is lemongrass essential oil. It helps to remove impurities. It detoxifies the skin and leaves it feeling clean and clear. Sandalwood oil contains antioxidant properties which helps to fight the free radicals that causes skin damage and premature aging. It reduces the appearance of dark circles and dark spots. Grapeseed oil is excellent for treating oily or acne-prone skin. It lightens discoloration and sunspots. It moisturizes and also reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Geranium essential oil promotes a clear and glowing skin. It is very good for aging, wrinkled or dry skin. 3-tea oil helps to treat dry skin and helps to reduce itching skin. It also helps to control acne breakouts. This is skin repair treatment oil. It helps in healing of damaged skins like bleached skin or sunburn. It also helps to fade stretch marks, green veins, and clears white spots. Here is frankincense essential oil. It treats dry skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkles, age spots, scars, and stretch marks. Vitamin E oil helps to prevent signs of aging. It keeps the skin hydrated and calm, and also reduces sun damage. It helps to reduce appearance of scars and lightens brown spots. When you want to make a glow oil, it is very important to choose your ingredients wisely and know their benefits to the skin. These are all effective natural ingredients that I will be using to make this glow oil. Let me now show you how to mix up these oils with the right ingredients. Like I said earlier, I'll be making 1500 ml of glow oil. I'll start by adding 630 ml of sunflower oil. Remember that you have to write out your ingredients in percentages and must be total to 100% before you can now get the accurate grams for the batch size that you are producing. Next oil that I will be adding is the turmeric oil. I will be adding 150 ml of turmeric oil. I will be adding 125 ml of carrot oil, 75 ml of sandalwood oil, 75 ml of lemongrass oil, 30 ml of geranium essential oil, and I will also be adding 75 ml of grape seed oil, 30 ml of rosehip seed oil, 30 ml of tea tree essential oil, 75 ml of skin repair oil, 15 ml of frankincense essential oil. The last ingredient I'll be adding is 15 ml of vitamin E oil. So after adding every single ingredient, the next thing to do is to stir with your spatula and then blend with your electric hand mixer to enable all the oils to mix properly. Imagine this oil on your skin and the oils are just penetrating deep into your skin layers. Imagine your skin so healthy, smooth and glowing due to the essential oils and vitamins packed into this glow oil. This glow oil is available on our Instagram page. Kindly check us out. I'll be adding rose petals to beautify and achieve an extra herbal benefits. It gives a beautiful and shiny glowing skin. You have to apply this oil on your skin 1 to 2 times daily. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime we upload new videos. Like and share this video and also leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.